Hey, what's up guys, welcome to CubixSol YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how to create this type of button using HTML and CSS only, and we will create this type of hover animation on our button. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's start. So friends, first of all you can see that I will create a basic HTML structure here, and here I will type CSS hover animation, and here I will type button, and next you can see that here we have our style.css, and I will link this CSS file with my HTML code. Next, inside the body element I will create a div with class container, and here I will create an A element. Inside this I will type here span, and we have to type here and I'm going to use font awesome icon here. So I will search here font awesome CDN and click on the first link, font awesome CDN JS. So click on this link, copy link tag, paste this inside your head section. Now we can use the font awesome icons. I will search here FA login. So here we have to copy this I element, and I will paste this element here. So you can see a login icon here, and after this I element I will type here login. So we have done with our HTML code. Next, open style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. Next, I will copy this body element and paste this element here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height 100 VH. Basically these four properties will move this complete container class exactly at the center position of my screen. Next, I will assign a background color to my body element. So I will type here this color code. Next, copy this container class and paste this class here, and then we have to copy this A element which is inside our container class, and I will paste this element here and type position relative text decoration none to remove the underline. Color, type this color code to make the color of our text and icon like this. Display inline block, and type here width 200 pixel, and type here first of all background color. I will type this color code, and without display inline block property our width and height property will not work. So we have to type the display inline property, and I will give height 60 pixel to this button. Because I have zoomed in my web page at 300%, that's why the button is looking bigger than normal, but its original width and height is 260 pixel. Next, I have to type here text transform uppercase, font weight 500, and letter spacing 2 pixel. Next, I will copy this A element and paste here and type double colon before comma, copy these complete words and paste them here. I will type here content empty inset 0. Basically inset property is a combination of top, left, right, and bottom property. It means that we are setting these four properties 0 at the same time. Next, I will type here background color red, position absolute, and transition 0.5 second. Next, I have to copy this class and this A element and paste here, and then copy this span element and paste this element here and type background color, this color code, Z index 10, and position absolute. So by writing Z index 10, we can see the span element and its background color to our front side. Display flex, justify content center, and align item center, and width 100% and height 100%. So you can see the width and height, and our text is exactly at the center position of our screen, not screen but of button. Font size 1.2 rem. Next, I have to copy these words and paste them here, and from our HTML code I will copy this I element and paste this element here. It means that we are going to give style to our this icon, and here I will type margin right 5 pixel and font size 1 rem. So next, first of all we have to design the background animation of our button. To do that, I will copy this class until span element and paste here, and here I will type before content empty, position absolute, width 50%, background color, this color code. We have to set the height 100% and width. So I have set width already. So you can see that this is basically our before content that we have assigned to our span element, and here I will type transform q30 30 degree. You can see that the background is moved in a beautiful way. Next, I will type here left minus 60%. So you can see that currently it is at this position, and we have to type here overflow hidden inside this pen element. So now user will not able to see this. Next, we have to create an animation for our background. To do this, I will create a keyframe here, our animation name like move background, the starting point of our animation which is 0%, and here I will type left minus 60%, and then we have to type the ending point of our animation like left 120%. Next, we have to use this animation on our button hover. So I will type here dot container a colon hover. It means that what will happen when user will hover our this complete a element means our this button. So we can simply copy this pen and before paste here and type here animation, our animation name, its duration, and here I will type linear. So friends, you can see that currently our animation will look like this. So next, we have to create a lightning border around our button. To do this, I will copy this container class and a element, paste them here, and here I will type before comma, copy these words and paste them here, and here I will type after content empty, inset 0, background color red, position absolute, and transition 0.5 second. And in the last, we have to type these properties which are game changer, I think. So I will copy this and paste this here, and we have to insert a colon hover. It means that what style we want to give on button hover to our this selector. So I just want inset -3 pixel. So you can see that currently our border will look like this. And next, I will type here background linear gradient 45 degree. Type these values to get the same result. The middle color is important. We have to copy our background color of our body element and paste this color in the middle of our linear gradient, and you can give the third color according to your choice. So you can see that currently our animation will look like this. Next, I will copy this and paste this here, and here I will type after and remove this inset and -3 pixel property, and here I will type filter blur 10 pixel. So friends, you can see that now our animation will look like this. So we have complete our video. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section. And I want to suggest you that keep learning, keep improving your skill, become a master whichever skill you are learning. And the one famous saying is, the more you learn, the more you will earn. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. And finally, thanks for watching.